How to share a post to your Instagram story. Before starting, make sure that your Instagram app is updated. In order to check if it's updated or not, go to Play Store. After that, go to the search bar and type out Instagram. Then tap on it. Now here you can see that my app is already updated, but if your app is not updated, then you'll have an update option instead of an open option. Then you have to just tap on it to update your app. Now go back to your home screen and move towards Instagram. After you open Instagram, go towards the post that you want to post on your Instagram story. For instance, I'm choosing this post here. Once you select the post, there you can see three options: heart, comment, and send. Click on send. After that, this bar will pop up where you have to click on add to story. After doing so, it will take you to your story. Now here you can make changes to this post with whatever tools you like from the above options. You can even add music as well as filters to your story. For instance, I'm changing the background color for my story. After making the changes, click on your story and your story will be uploaded. To check if your story has been posted or not, go back to your home page and click on your story, and there you can see if it has been posted or not. This is how you share a post to your Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.